Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create 100% stock bar in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. To create the 100% stock bar chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and here you can select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, click on the first option, Insert Column or Bar Chart. Just click on this drop down arrow and here in 2D bar, there are three types of 2D bar is available. Just keep cursor on the third one and you can see the name of the bar chart is 100% stock bar. Just click on it to insert here. You can see here the 100% stock bar is inserted with the chart design tab with the format tab. If you want to increase the size of the chart, you just drag the corner point and here you can see your chart size is increased. Okay. And if you want to change the chart style, go to the chart design tab. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and just keep cursor on the style and you can see the preview of the chart style is showing. If you want to change, just click on it and here you can see your chart style is changed. If you want to remove the chart title, go to the chart design tab. In chart layouts group, click on the add charts elements option and then click on the chart title, then click on the none. And that's it. Here you can see the chart title is removed. If you want to change the layout, again go to the chart design. In chart layouts group, click on the second option, quick layout. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see different types of layout is available. When you keep cursor on it, see the preview of the layout in your chart. So I just click on there and see the preview. And to apply the layout, just click on it, the layout. So I just click on this and here you see your chart layout is changed. Okay. If you want to move the chart in another sheet, you can easily move it. First, add here the sheet. So I just click on this plus sign and add here the new sheet. And here I'm going to move this chart in sheet number 3. Okay. So just click on the chart and go to the chart design tab. In location group, click on the move charts option and here you can see the small dialog box is open, the move chart. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. In second option in object in sheet number 1 is selected and if you want to move in another sheet, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the another sheet to move this chart. Just click on the OK and that's it. Here you can see your chart is moved in another sheet. Okay. If you want to change the chart type, you can easily change here. Again, go to the chart design and types group, click on the change chart type. And here you can see the one dialog box is open to change chart type. Here you can see all other chart types also available. You can change in any one also. So here I select only bar chart. So in bar, you can see the different types of bar chart also available. The selected bar is 100% stuck bar. Here you can see the name. If you want to change the chart type, just click on this another one. So I select the stuck bar and see the preview. And after that, just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see that your chart type is changed. Okay. So this is a way you can use the chart design tab and in format tab you can use here the formatting your word art. Okay. So in word art style, just click on this drop down arrow and when you keep cursor on it, see the changes on your chart word. So I just select this one. Okay. See here all the yellow word art showing. Okay. So this is a way you can use the another option also to format your word. Okay, format your text. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.